Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to see all posts you have liked on Facebook. To view all of your posts that you have liked on Facebook, first of all, open your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into it. Now, hit on the menu button, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, select Setting and Privacy and go through the settings. Now, scroll down until you find out Activity Log. From here, you'll see a lot of options. Among them, choose Like and Reactions. Now, these are all of your likes and reaction you have done in your Facebook. So in this way, you can easily find out all of your posts that you have liked on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.